Hi my Tigger Tales, it's Vicky, and today's video I have got an mystery unboxing for you guys. I was on a group chat on Instagram and there was someone that was on it that actually started talking about how Loungefly had a couple of these mystery boxes for sale in their clearance section, and the price for them was $2.50, so I couldn't pass up a good deal. You know, your girl loves to be frugal. And so I grabbed a whole bunch of the Inside Out Pixar Loungefly mystery pin boxes. Now I've opened up just the top part of it to kind of make things go a little bit faster. But here are the pins that you can actually get. There's joy, sadness, disgust, fear, anger. Who am I missing? Bing bong. And I have 10 of these. I think I spent like $25 to get all 10 of them. Because they were $2.50 a box. I could not believe it, and I could not pass that up. So, I bought hopefully enough to be able to get the whole set, and we'll go ahead and get started. They're in these little blind bags, and ooh, okay, let's see who's the first one. It's Sadness. Okay, I love her. I think she's so sweet and so cute. These pins are a little on the smaller side, just so you know, if you decide to take advantage. I know that I did check Loungefly. They still are on sale, only not for $2.50, and now they've gone back up to $5. So, that's a good start. We've got Sadness. Let's see who is next. Comment below who's your favorite character in this movie. I absolutely love Joy, but I have an equal, I think it's just equally billed with Sadness for me. Oh, I pulled a duplicate already. Oh my gosh, we're not even like 2 in and I've already got a duplicate. So another Sadness. Okay. She's too cute though. She'll be a good trader. Let's see here. Come on, keep your fingers crossed for me that I actually pull enough to be able to fulfill this collection. That'd be awesome. Feels a little bit different, a little bit bigger, so I'm hoping it's Bing Bong. Yes! Okay, yes. Oh, he's much bigger than some of the other ones, so wow, he's cute. Here is Bing Bong. Super, super cute. Love him. He's got such a cute little personality. I love that. Here we go. Okay. Next one. Okay, I got Joy this time. She's cute. I love her pose. Her little core memory. Love that. And they're small enough to, I mean, like, you wouldn't have to have a big pin board to put these all on if you got the complete collection. So it's kind of nice for that too. Let's see, who's next? Please, no dupes, no dupes, no whammies. No whammies. Okay, we have got Disgust. She's so cute. I love her expressions. She cracks me up. The whole movie I watched it, I was like, she's too funny. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the, is it 6? Yes, 6. Oh, another Sadness. Goodness. Here we go. Another Sadness. So I got 2 traders of Sadness and the 4 of the others. Got 2 boxes left. Oops. Goodness. 2 boxes left. Come on, Anger. Ah, another Joy. So if you guys need any of these, I do have some traders, so hit me up on Instagram or leave a comment down below. This is my last box just one of the other ones would be great. Nope. You'll never guess what. Oh my goodness. I have never pulled that many of the same one. So I've got 1, 2, 3 Traders of Sadness, 1 of Joy. So if anyone has those or needs those out there, let me know. I'll leave my Instagram information linked down below. And or you can just leave a comment in this video. Again, put a comment down below of who your favorite character is and why. And like, comment, do all the things, subscribe. I am actually trying to hit the 300 mark before the 13th of August, which is my birthday. So I think I'm at 287. So super, super close. I will be doing a giveaway if that's the case. If I do hit it there, there'll be, if I do hit it on my birthday, there will be a little extra surprise in the giveaway that I don't actually show. And so, yeah, things are moving, things are shaking, loving it. Thanks for all of your support as always. You guys are always so wonderful, so very kind in the comments, and always so complimentary, and I really do appreciate that. If you have any suggestions on any things that you would like to see, it can be anything that you mean, it can be even other than Disney. Harry Potter can be anything that you want as far as fandoms are concerned. As well as I'm thinking about doing some things that are not Disney related, that some ideas that have come up throughout the community, and also through just, you know, just some creative juices that have been flowing. So stay tuned, and just keep on keeping on. We've got some tough times to get through, and hopefully this channel will be doing exactly what it's intended to, and that's to just provide a moments of entertainment, or a moment of just a fun background to watch. I don't know. So you take care of yourselves. Always be safe. Be kind to one another. Have a magical and tiggerific day.